Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to make a pixel art sprite in Scratch. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Scratch website, which is scratch.mit.edu. Then you can either sign in if you already have an account, or you can click Join Scratch. Note, you should not use your real name for your username. You can use your typical password, and it will ask you for an email address, which you can go ahead and enter. Once you get signed in, go ahead and click Create. It might take a minute to load, and you might have to click Enable Flash, which is totally fine. Go ahead and give your game a title. And then you're going to go ahead and create your sprites. So down here in the New Sprite menu, you're going to choose Paint New Sprite. You will zoom in to 800% so you can see one pixel at a time. The paintbrush should already be selected, but you want to make sure you're on that and choose your first color. Then you will just click on the canvas using the plus sign as your center, one pixel at a time, to match what you have done on your graph paper. Now once you get a closed shape, you may want to use the fill feature, which will make things go a little bit faster. Ooh, there we go. And that is just by using the paintbrush. Choose the color you want to fill it with and fill. You'll continue until you have your entire sprite, and then you can work on making the rest of them. If you get finished with all of your sprites, you can go ahead down here and do New Background. Oh, which is over here. I can't see it on my menu. Sorry guys, I had a little glitch there. I realize I have the controls down here because I'm doing Screencastify, but over here is where you will select to do a new background in the same manner. Have fun and please be creative.